So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in graphics settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have optimizations for windowed games turned on. And then where it says advanced graphics settings, we're now going to click on the drop down. Make sure you have hardware accelerated GPU scheduling turned on. Now we're going to scroll down, which will now take us to here. And then once you're on this, your game might already appear in this list right here. So let's say that I wanted to do it for this game called Vector. It appeared in this list. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to set the GPU preference to high performance. And then it's going to be saying my graphics card name. I'm going to select this. That's how you do it. However, if your game did not appear in this list, then you're going to scroll up. And you have two options right here. You could either add a game from the Microsoft Store, or you can add a game that is not from the Microsoft Store that you have downloaded on your computer. So it's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to go with the Microsoft Store one, you're going to click on this, and then select your game from here, and then repeat what I just showed you with the Vector game. Or you can click on Add Desktop App, and you now want to find the exe file of your game. Once you find that, you want to add it, which will then make it appear here. Then you want to click on the drop down, and then set it to high performance with your graphics card. That's how you do it.